How to download Facebook on laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can download Facebook on your laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to download Facebook application on your laptop, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all you can actually use your Microsoft Store, because Facebook app is available inside Microsoft Store, where you want to simply go ahead and type in Facebook, or you'll find the Facebook application from here, where you can simply directly just hit the get option here, and once you click on the get button you'll be able to go ahead and then install them. And once you install them, you should be able to go ahead and then basically download the Facebook application on laptop. This way you can download Facebook app on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.